Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Going Balls application on your iPhone. Going Balls is a mobile game developed by Supersonic Studios. It is an arcade-style game which involves controlling a ball as it rolls through various obstacles. To download the application on your iPhone, go ahead and launch Open App Store from your home screen. Also make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet. Next, go to the search box inside your App Store and type in Going Balls. Once you make a search for the app, go ahead and look for this application from Supersonic Studios Limited. Now, to begin the download, tap on the Get button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to download the application on your device. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your iPhone, which will only take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. Soon after the application download process is completed, you can tap on the Open button to open the app on your iPhone. That is how you can easily download Going Balls for your iPhone with a few simple steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.